Assalamualaikum all my dear students. I welcome you back again in your recorded session. I'm your teacher Ms. Jazba Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistani Johar campus. As you all know that this is your grade 3 social studies recorded lecture, and the chapter that we were currently discussing in our previous classes was the chapter maths. It was a very interesting chapter that we discussed, but now we are going to do and start some copy work. So just go and take out your copies from your bag. I'm counting till 5 for you to go and grab your copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! I know you all are very well prepared, and now you all are sitting with your copies, sharp pencil, sharp blue color pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, each and everything with yourself, as we are going to do some copy work over here. Okay, so first you have to make the title page of your chapter in maths. You will make the title page of any choice. If you want to just paste the picture or anything, if you even want to draw, I know you all are very creative. You all will do all the creative work to make it look good, but I liked it, so I just attached this picture and add it as this background. Just write the name of chapter math, and you can just make anything you like to do to make it look good. Now the next thing that we do after our title page, after making our title page, is the index. We have to make the index first. Index maintenance is very important. The last work we did was the chapter Earth in Space, question and answers. Now you are going to write the chapter name, maps, chapter maps. No one will write any serial number or date over here. You will just write the chapter's name. Then you will write the serial number 4, today's date 26/8/2020, and question and answers. We are going to do the question and answers of this chapter maths. As it is a recorded class, you can just pause this video and write down your index. Okay, now so we are going to do the question and answers. So the topic is obviously question and answers. You will write your date on the left hand side over here and CW over here. No one will write anything on the red line. Red line की नीचे वाली line पे you will write topic, question and answers. Again I am saying that the two lines of the red lines जो top पे आती है like header, you will not write anything over it, and you all know that we write questions and these kind of headings with blue color pencil and normal answer with your normal color pencil. So the question number 1 is, state two differences between a map and a globe. Now what is the difference between a map and a globe? We have to discuss in this answer. You will just make the line at the center of your copy. No need to make the box. I didn't have a copy over here. I have to make it on slides, so that's why I didn't use it as like that, but you can just simply draw the line at the center of your copy and just make it two portions. One portion of map and another portion is of globe. Now number 1 difference of these two is, map is the drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Like I told you before, map जो होता है वो flat surface पे बनाया जाता है, सीधी surface पे बनाया जाता है, जबकि globe is the round shaped model of the earth. globe जो होता है वो round सर्कल शेप जो होता है, गोल जो होता है शेप, राउंड मॉडल ऑफ अर्थ होता है. Although earth is not round, it is a sphere in shape, but its model is of round in shape, that is called the globe. You will write 1 in front of 1 and 2 in front of 2. Be very careful before while you are writing this. Now number 2 is, a map represents the whole earth or just a part of it. Number 2, globe. Globe represents the whole earth. Now globe just covers all the parts of the earth, as it's a round goal model of earth, but map just shows, represents different parts of it, and it shows whole world, but it just shows some other parts of it as well. Question number 2. What are the four features of maps? Maps के four features क्या होते हैं? Now we discuss it in our chapter that what are the four features of the map. So the features of maps are title, symbols, legend, scale. You all know that title क्या होता है? Title जो होता है वो brief description देता है कि मैप में क्या show हो रहा है. Symbol shows that how important a feature on a map is, like road, river, capital cities and all that. And legend shows it's a map key, kind of a key which shows that where is small pictures बनी होती है जिसमें बताते हैं that where is the beach, where is the lake, river, volcano. That is the work of a legend. And scale is the actual size of the country or physical feature जो map पे show नहीं होती. So वो जो होता है स्मॉल मैप्स में बना. सो मैप जो होते हैं स्मॉल होते हैं एंड जो भी चीज़ें ड्रॉ होती हैं वो इसमें छोटी होती हैं साइज में. सो स्केल जो होता है वो हेल्प करता है हमें कि एक्चुअल लेंथ ऑफ एरिया को देखने के लिए, और इसका जो एक्चुअल डिफरेंसेस होते हैं फ्रॉम बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स, तो वो हमें हेल्प करता है. और हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया था दैट स्केल जो होता है वो 1 इंच लेंथ को मैप को बताता है 10 माइल्स ऑन द ग्राउंड. लाइक अगर मैप ग्राउंड पे 10 माइल्स होते हैं तो वो मैप पे हमें स्केल जो होता है 1 इंच के उसमें बताता है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ लिमिटेड स्पेस. सो इस तरह से उसको करते हैं. सो 4 फीचर्स ऑफ द मैप्स आर टाइटल, सिंबल्स, लेजेंड एंड स्केल. Question number 3. What are cardinal directions? So we have discussed, we all must know that what are cardinal directions. There are 4 cardinal directions. You all know these. These are north, south, east and west. North, south, east, west. These are called cardinal direction. Be very careful while you write the spellings of each and every word. Properly written spellings होनी चाहिए. Cardinal spelling should be very careful. CARDINAL, cardinal. Directions, DIRECTION, directions. So there are how many types of cardinal directions are there? That what are cardinal directions? There are 4 cardinal directions. Those are north, south, east and west. Question number 4. What is the compass rose? What is a compass rose? A compass rose is a figure on the map that displays the directions. यानी वो जो compass होता है जो that shows the directions like north, south, east and west, that is known as a compass rose. It is a figure that is shown and that is displayed at the top of the map. Every map की like this is the map और उसके इस side पे जो होता है compass rose is mentioned, like it shows that where the north, south, east and west are. So compass rose is mentioned in each and every map. It is displayed on map and it shows that where the directions are, where the things goes. The quantity is north में है, which thing is on south, which thing is on north, which thing is on east, which thing is on west. Question number 5. How does the map scale help us? Map scale हमें कैसे help करता है? A map scale helps us to work out the actual length of an area. Map scale हमें help करता है सिखाने के लिए कि एरिया की actual length है क्या. So it makes our work more easier because अभी मैंने आपको बताया that it shows bigger distances को inches में it describes, like 10 miles को ये 1 inch में describe करता है. So it does help us a lot. Like if we want to count, हम लोग count करेंगे that 1 inch इधर है तो it means it is 10 miles and we will easily count that इतने miles तक this from this point to this point it has this much length of a area. So a map scale help. How does a map scale help us? A map scale helps us to work out the actual length of an area. The last question, what is the equator? What is the equator? So the equator is an imaginary line running from east to west, dividing the earth into two equal halves. Like I told you before as well that equator एक ऐसी line होती है, एक imaginary line that we think in our mind, which is actually not present, but we just think about it that it is an imaginary line. We think of it that is an imaginary line running from east to west in the horizontal direction. Like I told you before that what is vertical and what is horizontal. If you can just see the map on this, like this is from east to west, so it is dividing, like I am drawing this line, like I am dividing my screen in half like this. So it is a kind of a imagine, like this is the equator. It means it is an imaginary line running from east to west, dividing the earth into two equal halves. Means though both parts of it are equal, both half of it are equal in size. So these were the answers that we did today in our recorded class. I hope you all enjoyed and you learn more about it while doing these question and answers. Until then, take care of yourself. Good luck and thank you. This is Mia teacher signing off. Allah Hafiz.